Hey guys, welcome to the Traders Haven live session trade summary. Right, we're going to give you an idea of what we've been doing in the Pip Banker sessions just recently. What you're looking at is the euro-dollar charts, as you can see in front of you there. Now, in London session, we took a scalp trade off the euro-dollar based on a daily chart, in fact, and you can see why. If you look at the daily chart here, there's a breakout of the 34.41 level, retest, and we took a scalp trade short there. We got a good few pips off of that one, and it was a scalp trade, so we didn't push for too much. We got a few pips, and so we walked away happy with that, and we thought, well, that may be all that there is in it for us, but we were looking for short trades on both the pound and on the euro, seen as the Greek bailout is causing a bit of issues there for some pressure, selling pressure on these currencies. So we were looking for opportunities, and so when we came to the 15-minute chart that you see here in front of you, let me just pull it up there, we saw this pattern shape up, and as you can see here at the same time, we had a bearish wedge, and so we got a breakout retest, took the pattern short, as you can see there. All right, and we had our stop loss above this end of the world. What I said to the guys in the room though is I would like to have my stop loss above the daily pivot point for about 25 pips. So it wasn't a very big stop loss, but it never even really came under pressure at all. Went a few pips under pressure there, as you can see. A couple pips in drawdown, but nothing major to write home about. And then since then, as you can see, moving quite nicely now. We're sitting at 43 pips profit, looking like we want to break through the R1 for the S1, sorry, for the day. And looking good even on the 4-hour chart. On a 4-hour level here, we've got a potential breakout in the next 30 minutes of these two fib levels. If we get a retest there and a continuation pattern, we may be heading down to these previous lows. And so that's looking good on the euro. On the pound, a couple of guys in the room were taking some good scalp trades off there that we were setting up as well. There was a scalp trade opportunity in this area in London session. We looked for a scalp trade opportunity off the R1 here, as you can see there, and that was a pretty good level as well. Now, at the time, I was saying to the the guys and girls in the room, be careful. I'm not so happy with it. It didn't look great to me, to be honest. And we had taken so many good scalp trades through London session today and through New York session that I wasn't really happy with what I was seeing there, with it closing right on that level. I would have liked to have seen it pull away a little bit more. And so we didn't, or I didn't take that scalp trade. A couple of the others might have, but I didn't take that one. But as you can see, it was a good area to get in. Good 52 pips to the downside. A little bit disappointing I didn't get in that. But you know what? We've got the hourly evening star pattern here on the pound. Maybe we get a break out of the bullish channel and a continuation down to the monthly M3 at 52.87. So maybe we still have something in it a little bit later on today. But between the euro and the pound today so far, between our scalp trades and our position trades and intraday trades, we really are looking healthy. The trading in the live room just recently has been fantastic, guys. If you want to join us, pop on over to www.fab-tradershaven.com and join our live sessions. We trade there daily in the London and the New York session, and we'd love to have you join us. Cheers.